Should we just push in? We got friendlies out there.
Go in. Avanti, amici, avanti!
Shit!
On the left up the corner, Jonah.
That's the crossroads up there. Through up there. It'll be up.
Towards front on that, or left.
There might be an entry way back there, I don't know. But you could go through there and left.
That's it. Come on, Aussie. That is worse. Coming through. Everyone's coming through.
You dead?
I suppose I am now. I'll take that.
I'll spare you the displeasure of being shot. Oh fuck no. Yeah, me too. Ah, hit! Oh, fucking hell. Bastard got me right in here.